Hello there. I've been super busy lately, pretty rough week. So instead of making some new content in terms of art, I'll be sharing with you some recent stuff that's been posted on the NVIDIA Studio YouTube channel that I made a while back. Then they're kind of uploading on a schedule. And there's, I think, 10 total, and they'll be released soon. But there are already about 4 or 5 that are live. Anyway, they reached out to me a while back, thanks to my buddy Hexeract on Instagram. Went to school with him, aka Gav, and I'm just gonna go through each one and give you a quick breakdown of what the videos have. Most of their content is 3D. I feel like mine's the only thing that's 2D here. When they offered the collaboration, I certainly couldn't resist. All right, so in this first one, just a quick breakdown, a little bit more advanced, and they're pretty short. I haven't uploaded the full real times. I'm gonna actually talk to them and see if I can do that. But with this, I kind of show my reference and go through the sketching process. Not fully explaining absolutely everything, so it's not for like beginners, but showing the process from start to finish, kind of quickly explaining the things I'm doing on the screen. But yeah, definitely a stylized face painting, which is all in the video, because I painted the head, well, drew the head first, painted it, and then I designed a helmet on top of that with a certain context in mind regarding story. And I show all the specific references I was looking at that I drew inspiration from, and some indication of metallic reflectivity. So the next one, I kind of show how to light a scene, a very simple basic sketch from no values or color to a place where you can kind of just imply a light source and kind of bring life to the scene. And it's a pretty quick process just to get thumbnail ideas across. And this one is actually 3 parts, so creating male fantasy character concept, Adobe Photoshop. This is the longest one, it's 30 minutes, but it's in parts. You know, you can kind of hover down here and find the parts. But yeah, kind of sketching the body based on the references, and then the head, having different options for the head drawing, and then coloring it up, just some color exploration. Nothing too fancy in terms of rendering, but just figuring things out in terms of value breakup. This is probably the strongest one so far that they've uploaded. I feel like it's the strongest, but man, I noticed the eyes are asymmetrical, which is deliberate. Yeah, I did that on purpose. If anything, this is a kind of mini preview of what you might find in the course that I'm working on, which is I've been so busy this week. Very close. And those of you who are waiting for the course, first of all, thanks for your interest in it, and it will be really fun. So yeah, in this also I'm showing the references and then kind of sketching different heads. And then, you know, simplifying the forms on a sphere and then lighting it as your lighting setup is a very effective way to kind of figure out the color and lighting scenario, because if you can have the light source, core shadow, bounce light, and different colors implied there, you can kind of take that and apply it to your character. I think in the demo, I literally drag that ball and scale it beneath the drawing. It's funny because Borodante, another great YouTube channel, he posted the same thing, I think like a week before this went live. I was like, oh no, he's gonna think I copied. You know what I did? I went to the future. I'm like, what's this guy gonna do? And I just stole it. It's mine now. No. This is a process that's been around for a very long time. Understanding the sphere. Definitely check out Borodante's YouTube channel. Give him a subscribe. Tell him I sent you. Anyway, yeah. So that's the process there. Gonna ask them if I can post the full real time of this later on, because some people, I believe, Terrace asked me if I could do that. Maybe put it up on Gumroad or something, but no time right now. And then this one was funny. I really love doing this. Certainly inspired by that recent game by a indie studio from, I believe, China. So yeah, I had that in mind, and I just wanted to design a monkey character. So lots of monkeys, and you know, I really enjoyed making that sketch. But again, yeah, you could see the process of laying down let me just go back real quick. Laying down the skeleton or armature, if you've ever kind of sculpted, it's kind of like that. And sketching different monkey heads and kind of picking one that I liked. And I felt like this one had a nice personality. I think it's based on that little guy over there. And kind of just showing this as a concept. With a bit of material indication, I think I show the process of how to get it to look shiny. Anyway, this video is gonna be short and sweet. Oh, also, but the best part of this is the comments. Monkey. Add your monkey. Let's break their channel. Everyone, go add your monkey there. Anyway, short and sweet video. Nothing too crazy. But if you're yearning for that Alduri tutorial content, go over to the NVIDIA Studio YouTube channel and just watch all of those. Okay, I gotta go back to work. Y'all hang in there. I'll see you on Wednesday for Reference Wednesdays. Farewell, dear friends, farewell.